What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I know I haven't been vlogging lately, but it's because I've been super busy, and if you guys do follow us on Instagram, it's because we did release our new drop. So if you guys don't know like what we actually released and everything, I'll put the link up at the top. Our new site has actually just been updated with new merch basically, and new collabs. Our first new collab is with BC Garage, one of the homies from BC Garage, the homie Brendan. We actually did a collab on shirts and it was actually super successful. The drop was 3 days ago. So if you guys haven't hit up the store right now. I'll put the link right up here. There's so many new things, so many new stuff that you guys could purchase, and you guys will probably like it. This is the collab, the shirt that we actually released, but this is not the color. This was just a test shirt. So it is Iceyyyboyz collab with the BC Garage. This is the back of it. And if you guys didn't know, this is like my wheel, Vishanu's. Wait, not Vishanu's, I'm fucking dumb. Vienna's. Oh my god. But this is the new collab. These shirts only come in white and black. I'm actually gonna be doing a giveaway soon. I don't know when it's gonna be, either next week or the week after that. But these are the new ones, and they are actually pink again. I was actually gonna release the tan ones. Only you guys are gonna be the only ones to see this because my YouTube actually gets exclusive looks. But this was the one with the box, and everyone was just making fun of me because they're like, what the fuck is up with the box, Josh? Take that shit out. So I took it out. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Do you guys like the pink or the tan? Because the tan is actually pretty fire, and I never tried out the actual ink, so I wanted to see how it would look. But I already went with the pink. So it basically comes with a white shirt, white or black shirt, and then the pink writing, just like this. Anyways, guys, before I get this little video started, and I wanted to show you other things too, I just wanted to tell you guys some new updates, and yeah, pretty much, you guys should hit up the store, support the IB fam. There's a lot of new things, and I'm actually really proud of the site because it took me forever to make. And yeah, and then we also got new license plate acrylic covers. So hit up the site, like I said, guys. We have more than this, but these are the, oh my god, they're so new, they're stuck together. So I had other ones. So these are the ones with the vinyl. It looks kind of, it's doubled because there's like triple of them. This is Iceyyyboyz and Iceyyyboyz in Japanese. Hold on, let me take it apart. God, so this is the white edition one. Pretty fire. Hit up the website, guys. This is the black one. Black one I highly recommend because it's way better. And I still have the ones that are carved out in stock. Oh shit. These are the ones that are carved out. Like they're actually engraved inside the acrylic. So these are still in stock, and these are the new ones that just came out. And so hit up the website, guys, and go cop one. So I'll show you guys a little preview of the glitter silver in person or on camera instead of the pictures. I mean, you guys already sold out, but it's back in stock. This is the glitter silver for the actual banner. So it's pretty fire. Sold out within a second, so order it now, and so you guys don't miss out, because this is gonna be another sold out item for a while. What is going on, guys? So it is the next day. I didn't really get to vlog because my battery was dead, but we are actually paying a visit to Ricky, and we're actually I actually got off work like probably an hour or two ago, and everyone's just trying to drive, so we're gonna be cruising to Ricky's, which is not even that far, but we got Travis over there. We actually added more camber to his car, so his shit's tucked in like my wagon. And then we got Bob Ross, got Brady over there. We got Gus finally took out the Cressy with his new wheels, and A-Rap Money's over there, and Tommy Uni's over back there. But yeah, so today we're just basically just chilling with Ricky, whoever, and that's pretty much it. But hope you guys like the vlog, and let's get to it. Yeah Hey guys, and of course I never get to vlog anything, but because I usually am just so caught up in everything, but me and Hoffman and everyone helped put on the Easy Knuckles. So I have a jangle kit. Holla. Oh shit, right here. Oh fuck, I'm stuck. But yeah. So we actually got the angle kit on, and I want to give a big shout out to Easy Knuckles because they actually sponsored us with their knuckles and extended arms. So head out to their website down here. I'll put it down in the description below. But yeah, and oh yeah, update. We are actually having drift event. What? We actually are having a drift event the 31st, which is next week, and Kyler is actually holding it up, and we are gonna be there drifting, and we actually rented out the whole track. So we rented out the skid pad, the new skid pad, and the whole track. So that shit's gonna be awesome. The 31st, guys. So it's gonna be fun. My alignment's pretty fucked up. It's kind of hard to record, everyone. Ready. Okay, right. We really just rolled like 10 cars deep to Ricky's house. I'm dead. This is Gus's car you guys haven't seen in a while.
I'm running lean.
Really? New wheels on. I was like, God damn, you guys really just rolled 10 cars deep. I'm dead. Where are you going? Huh?
I leak too much oil.
True. Bob Ross leaks so much oil. Like you were like in there for a sec. There's like 2 drops already. What's up, Ivan? New bike?
New little toy that I bought.
Okay. Is it quick?
125. It was like 50 miles per hour.
Oh really? Oh shit, not bad. This is Ricky's 240. Yeah. Yeah. Damn, brother, it's like this is just metal. I'm dead. Bro, if I hit you at the track, this thing is gonna be like dunzo.
You gonna put some what, fool?
These are mine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I just asked.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
Damn, look at the sun. Got some nice ass tails too.
Trash. We don't need that shit.
Straight to the trash.
Over here we have the JZX 100.
Is it a JZX 100?
It's a Mark II.
I just told you what it was earlier. You were DMing me about it. I said no.
I'm dead. Exposed.
That's why I
Exposed.
said it because I wanted to have him press me because he literally explained it to me earlier.
What?
Fucking
Bro, you didn't see at the track? I hit him right here, so it's like. So then,
but he couldn't find a blade. Holy shit.
hey man, it's good. Looks better than mine.
I found him a corner light for, it was 2 headlights and a corner light.
It's $25, right? Yeah, $25.
And we were in the area.
He was like, I don't really want it. If you don't want to get the headlights, then I don't want the corner light. I was like, I don't need headlights, bro. Fuck that.
I like how you just wrapped your seat in fabric. And you're
No, this is Gus's, yeah. Yeah, he just literally
Here, bro.
he just threw it on there.
It took you an hour to wrap it.
That's what's up, though.
Dude, it was terrible.
That steering wheel, though.
Were you there?
Looks
with
like a
the
boat.
Yeah, dude.
And
The fucking
all the gauges. Does look like a boat.
I wish it was.
Bro, we just came. What happened, Ricky? Fucking rip.
I'm gonna do the plexiglass. I'm gonna do the whole thing so that way, like, cause this shit heavy as fuck.
Oh, you were taking it off anyways? Jesus. A-Rap Money broke it. Hey, more airflow. Fuck it.
Yeah, fucking goes all the way up. Look.
Is it light? Can't even tell. Sketch. Bro, that shit was loud.
I literally barely pulled it up like I was going up to it and it's just fucking hot.
You think there's nothing in here?
What are we doing, Ricky? You still cleaning up? How are you gonna get all this shit out? Can you vacuum it?
It's like 2 bolts right there and it just comes off.
God damn.
Want me to like room everything down right here in the middle?
Nah, it don't matter.
Hey, watch out for this piece. Straight chilling. How's everything going, A-Rap Money?
It's going. I already cut myself.
Oh. Yeah, that's what's up.
Blood don't stop, man.
Hey, you always be cleaning houses anyway, so you're used to it, right?
fucked up on a panel twice and did it the third time.
That's why you ran out.
That's why I ran out. But if not, realistically, I would have had it.
What?
It's often.
Does that work?
What time is it off?
9.
52 minutes.
Yeah.
What is it, 1.4?
So what happened, Ricky?
I literally just got the screwdriver and I was barely picking it up and that shit just like fucking exploded and just like shattered. I was like, dude, I literally just like barely pulled it because I punctured a hole through it, right? I started picking it up little by little and it was popping off. As soon as like the last one just went and it snapped. I was like, okay. All I heard was
For real.
I would have just fucking turned the camera.
where'd the car go? You guys
So we're helping Ricky mask off his entire car because it's painting in tonight. It kind of looks like trash, but hey, whatever gets covered, right, guys? But we're basically getting ready for the 31st event. All we gotta do is get new tires, and then Ricky just needs to paint. What were we gonna do with the rear windshield? Plexiglasses? Alright, plexiglass, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
Because we didn't want any barriers. There was no door, no windows. People could walk into the espresso machine, see what we were doing.
So Gus and Ricky sanded. It's mostly done, right? The sanding. And you gonna leave the mustache on there?
I should put one of the IVs right there and paint over it.
Oh yeah, so it's like a little stencil, little thing. But yeah, the sanding is good for now. So right now we're all dipping. We just helped Ricky as much as we can, and now he's gonna be painting it. But anyways, guys, thanks for coming back to the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. On the 31st, we will be vlogging at the track. So if you guys want to come and watch some skits, pull up to Grange, Apple Valley Speedway, and we'll see you guys there. Deuces, guys.